thin crust, low calorie, low carb pizza. Here we go. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. So today I'm taking you guys with me to the store. We are on a hunt for low carb, low calorie pizza ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys with me to the store. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can find these ingredients, and then we're gonna give it a shot, see if we can make this thin crust, low calorie, low carb pizza and see how it tastes. So take you guys with me to the store. See you guys in a bit. That's our low carb pizza. Alright, so we're back from the store. We managed to pick up the essentials that we need for this. So what we got right here is Joseph's Lavish Bread. It only has 4 flatbreads for like, I think it's like $4, 6 grams of protein, 60 calories. And here are the macros on this bad boy. We got 1.5 fat, 8 carbs, 2 fiber, and 6 protein. Half a flatbread is a serving, so there's 16 grams of carbs in this. 4 grams of that are gonna be fiber, so really good macros on this. Next, we got the fat-free mozzarella cheese. Macros on this, 0 fat, 2 carb, 9 protein. Boom. And then we got these healthy pepperonis, 70% less fat. They're turkey pepperonis. We got 4 fat, 0 carb, 9 protein. And then I went ahead and picked up this Classico pizza sauce. And we went ahead and got some sugar-free barbecue sauce as well. I personally like barbecue on my pizza, so let's go ahead and get into this. Let's go ahead and make it, and I'll show you guys the finished product and carbs and taste test. So let's get it. So this is our finished product so far. We got the lavish bread, we got the serving of sauce, left a little bit on the edge for the crust, we got the cheese, we got the pepperonis. Toss it in the oven, 450 degrees for 5 minutes. We're gonna see how it turns out. So the final ingredients for this are going to be Joseph's Lavish Bread, awesome carbs, awesome macros, super low carb. We're going to have some Classico fire roasted pizza sauce, good carbs on that as well. We're going to have some fat-free mozzarella cheese, and some turkey pepperonis. 4 ingredients, low calories, low carb. I'm gonna punch it into my fitness pal right now. I'm gonna throw the macros up on here, and we're gonna taste it here in a little bit. We're done. So now we're gonna go ahead and cut it. Ooh, you can hear that little crunch. Oh, it's the first taste test. Here we go. All right, taste test. Here we go. Okay, so we all know the rules, 1 bite, 1 score. For healthy pizza, I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. All right, so it's crunchy. The thin crust tastes just like a normal thin crust. It's crunchy. The sauce, the cheese, the pepperoni, it's awesome. This is an awesome substitute for pizza, man. This is gonna be a game changer for you guys when you're on a low carb, low fat diet, low carb as well, high protein, and once you're in the final cutting stages. This is awesome. That little crust is flaky, it's cheesy. This is an absolute game changer. That's gonna do it for this video. This whole thing, for this whole pizza, 315 calories. So in this whole thing, we got 26 carbs, 7 fat, 41 protein. That can definitely fit your macros. I could probably fit 2 of these in my macros. So I'm gonna go ahead and crush this. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. My name is Rodrigo, if you don't already. I make functional fitness videos as well as CrossFit videos and tips on nutrition and training. So stick around, hit that subscribe button. Go over to Instagram, follow me there, shots_G. Let me know you came from here. As always, Breakfast Club, CTG. We out the speed.